January also I will change as posting period. I will add posting period here. 1. Posting period 1. It will take time to create a query. Now,
So even Kiran, while we are restricting it, is that we are hard coding it so that it will only only take the period 1 or 2 as we have chosen. Is it something like hard coded?
yeah, period always should be hard coded because I'm expecting 12 columns for 12 months.
I
January,
mean,
February.
yeah,
Yeah,
of course.
period should be.
Period. Moreover, for the all other items, say for example, key figures, monthly version, whatever. So we are hard coding it to so for example, version is actual and provider is radius of 1 for actual and things like that. So we
This,
are while we choose and doing a right click and restricting. That means we are again only looking at those figures only. Correct? We are hard coding it.
yeah, we are hard coding. Let's say fiscal year. What we used to do in the back query, we need to create a variable, fiscal year variable. So it will take fiscal year minus actual data will take fiscal year -1, variable -1, offset is -1, and plan data will be the fiscal year the user is entering, right? So here also version also you can use variable, info provider also you can use variable. For all these things you can use a variable like as for HANA we did. I will tell you how to create a variable. So that currently just I'm showing this thing. Variable I will tell you how to create. The same variables we can use for all the configuration. Now copy, duplicate. Here I just want to add the comment. Yeah, let's say comment. When I add the comment, key figure I need to change. Key figure should be not this key figure. Key figure should be this. Right. So now key figure is added. What else we need? Posting period. For the comment, I want to use one comment for all the months. So you need to provide hash values. So when you go to master data, you will get hash. Hash means remaining all okay. Just we need the comment. Now filter, company code is there, controlling area is there, fiscal year variant is there. See, fiscal year is 2018. You should not give. Fiscal year variant also we can remove. Because I'm giving in the column. Fiscal year period also you can remove. Unit of measure we can remove. Currency we can remove. Info provider we can remove. Profit center and product we have taken the master data. Now when you save, you should not get any message, warning messages. Somewhere it should show problem. Infos is consistent, it is saying. Yeah. What is this BW reporting preview? Master data maintenance. Oh. Yeah. Now let's test this query in analysis for office. Yeah. Let's go to analysis for office, Excel. Also, before going to analysis for office, we can test it in the RSRT. Let's first test it in the RSRT. The launcher was not able to connect analysis. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you. What is that quick access? The top right corner.
Right column.
Quick access.
Access commands and other items. Just click here. It's kind of thread checking. So when I say related words, it is showing. So when I click, I can go there. It's like search.
Thank you.
So let's go to RSRT. Here the query. So this is the actual quantity we have loaded. Plan quantity should be done here. Here they can comment. Let's see change. Plan quantity is not input ready. Why?
Maybe we have to change the option there, on the ED.
The input readiness of plan quantity is revoke procedure. This is in the load mode. That is the issue. See, data store object ADS401 in yesterday or day before yesterday we changed it to load mode. So now we have to make it as normal this thing. How to do that? Go to data store object, right click, open. Here this icon I click, manage data store object. Here you can make it as planning. Right, now it will work. Come back. Let's see any other error. Yeah, now it's open. Right? So let's plan quantity as 8. February 10. Comment. So like this you will get 12 columns. Comment. Completed. Only maybe 1 month. Yeah, I just add like this. Now click on save as.
Even each time when we update any new item, so for example, period 3, period 4, then accordingly we can change the comments with the new comments, right?
Here you can write the comment on year wise. So I have given common comment. If you want, let's say January, that related comment, you can create like this. Plan quantity 2008 January. Comment for 2008 Jan. Another column. Like this, every month, one comment column you can create.
Okay. No.
Here I hard-coded month as hash. Yeah.
Right. That I understood. So every time whenever we input in new data, say for example now the plan January February got over, so now we are moving to say for example March and April. During that time when we key in the plan figures, again again we can change the comments, right? So it is completed for so and so or whatever, we can update the comment.
Comments. The same like transaction data, you can change the comment.
Okay.
Right, it is working. So what I will do in the analysis for office, I will add this work file. Open. Oh, this is disabled. Which one I have to enable?
You have to go to the com address.
Yeah. Yeah, now I got it. Now file analysis. No, we need to insert the data source. Insert data source. Select data source. I just add that's it in the analysis. The process is same like earlier. 1610, how we did the same thing. Right. So here we have, what is that naming convention? U01 star. This is the okay, just I will add and save it. Later we will, if we want, we can add later some buttons and all these things. We know how to do that. It's calling the query. So just I want to show here, whatever you create here in this VW modeling tool, those can be added here in this particular analysis for office. That's what I want to show. Now let's save this one. Save it. Save workbook. Okay. Which one we will save? NetWeaver platform or BWA platform? Let's see. Okay. This is name U01 underscore MAL1 underscore quantity underscore WB01.
Can you see the
U01.
version of this one, analysis office?
Yeah, let's see.
Because we are having 2.4. I didn't see this option actually, environment here.
Okay. U01 quantity planning. How to check the version of this?
Yeah, I think a file. You go to file.
File.
Yeah, and about analysis, right side.
Okay.
So it's 2.3. Okay.
Yeah. You should get. If not, go to settings. Might be somewhere here some checkbox to be selected.
Okay, okay.
And make
Yeah,
sure
that
that you
option
select
environment. Okay.
planning group system.
Okay, some settings might be.
Some settings. If 2.3 it is available, 2.4 also it will be available. Yeah. Now, same way, we can create the price planning query. We can add it in the system. Now, let's create BPC related stuff. Or, BPC. We have to discuss characteristic relationships also. Let's discuss characteristic relationships only. On top of this, we will understand what is characteristic relationship. Then we'll go for BPC. Then environment. Simple characteristic relationship. You all worked in, most of you worked in BPC, or some of you worked in ECC. You have a situation, let's say, in ECC, you are in somewhere. Okay, let's go to one company code in ECC. Any test it. Okay. KS01. So let's see the cost center. When I'm searching cost center, I clicked on cost center. Okay. So when the controlling area is A000 equal to A000, and when I give the company code as, okay, I'm not giving the company code. When I say start search, what happens? It gives the company codes, cost centers which are relevant for 1710. These are the cost centers. And also it is providing cost centers which are relevant for 1302 also. So if I want only cost centers which are relevant for company code 1710, what I have to do? I will just give company code 1710. 1710. Start search. Now it is displaying only the relevant cost centers. Right? How system understand this? Based on the configuration of cost center. Why, when I give company code 1710, system is giving related cost center. And I'm saying based on the master data configuration, how the master data configuration happened. If I go to KS02, let's say, this is the cost center, KS02, cost center, let's say 17101101. This cost center is relevant to 1710. That's why system understood when I give company code 1710, relevant cost centers are displayed. Right? That is what called characteristic relationship. For some characteristics or info object, it's possible characteristic relationship. Let's say I I can show my cost centers based on profit center because cost center and profit center relationship is maintained. I can show my cost centers based on functional areas because cost center and functional area relationship is maintained. Now, my point here is based on characteristic relationship, you can generate the combinations based on the master data or based on the master data configuration. You can generate characteristic relationships. Right. Another example I will tell you. Product is there, product line is there. You see here product line. Product line is basically one product line will have multiple products. In my case, my characteristic product has 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 products. For example, sparkling water, organic water, bottled water, orange juice, apple juice, tomato juice, mango juice. Now, this product is having one attribute called product line. It's an attribute for this product. That means master data. Same like cost center, profit center. P01 to 3 comes under PL1. P04 to P07 comes under PL_2. Yeah, this is the relationship maintained. Now what I will do, I will create one object for product line. These two objects I will create. I will maintain some master data like this. On top of that, we will understand characteristic relationship. I will create one master data, jet product. Yeah. I will create another master data, product line, jet product line. I will add product line in the product, right? And I will maintain some master data values for product and product line, and we will test the characteristic relationship, how it works. If not, another way is on the existing master data, let's say on the existing aggregation level also, we can check any relationship is there. Let's say I have company code and profit center, right? So company code and profit center, is there any relationship we can find out? So same profit centers we can define and we can make it. But yes, company code and profit center, there are multiple relationships. Not possible. Let's say. Yeah. I'm canceling. Let's create some characteristics. Two characteristics. Dummy characteristics or we have only one characteristic. Let's create one more characteristic. New characteristic. So I'm creating jet product. I'm saying just product. Coffee prom is not there. First we'll create product line. Jet prod underscore line. I think we can give this product line. Yeah. So reference to object, all these things I don't want. I want to maintain master data. I don't want text. Yes. Yeah. So let's go here. Any other stuff we need to do? Generic access, BW extended. Now activate it. Once it's activated, I will add two product lines. I want two product lines, PL1 and PL2. Let's add those two. So master data maintenance. Add line, PL underscore 1, PL underscore 2. This is some name also there, water and juice. Water. This is juice. I just save it. Master data saved. Now, next object I'm going to create. Right click, new, characteristic, product. Product. Now click on finish. Now in this product, we need one master data, one attribute. Yeah. Also I need text. So let's go to attributes, add one attribute, which is Z dot. Here, line, product line. Right. Now, remaining all same, I just activate it. Check and activate. Right. Let's add some relationship between product line and product. How? Go to master data, maintenance. Here, add line 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, P01.
Simple
Yeah.
thing. Can we copy paste like from Excel, do a copy and then paste it?
Let's see.
Columns, P01 to P08 or whatever. Yeah, correct. Just copy and then paste. You can do it.
I'm just checking. No, it's taken. So product lines also we can take it. What is the product line? It should give the values of product line. Let's see whether it is giving or not. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, it's okay. Product line, what master data we have? PL1 and PL2, right? So let's do it that one. So Z product here. Oh, this is PL1, PL2. It is replaced. Right. So this Z product, I will go for master data maintenance. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Control V. Here product line, same thing I will do. Copy, paste, Control V. Then I will go to, I just save it. Then I will go to text. For the text also, I will do the same. It's easy. Control Now click on save. We have products, and the important thing here we have to understand, there is a relationship maintained in this particular jet product. Yeah. Now, what happens when I create a query on top of this product and product line? That we have to understand. Then you will understand what is characteristic relationship. So what happens? Let's create a one ADSO. Right click, new data store object. U01 underscore characteristic, U01 underscore CR characteristic relationship. I just do it. U01 ADSO for characteristic relationships. Finish. Now I want, it's like planning on direct update or planning on info cube, like anything we can take. So apply template. Planning mode is selected. Yeah. Now in this, what fields we need? Add info object, jet product. Okay. I need product line, jet product line. And also I need one amount key. Add info object, 0 amount. Line. Let's manage keys. So manage keys will not be available for planning mode, info cube light. This is like info cube, right? So that's why you will not get manage keys. If you select planning mode with keys, then you will select this one. Okay, that's okay. Now remaining settings, all these things okay. Check. Activate. This for just for testing we are creating. So I have not added anything, only product and product line. So that our characteristic and relationship understanding will be done.
So, Kiran, quick question. Actually, earlier we used to have the signed data. Right? Now it has become 0 amount. Right?
No. Yeah, that signed data is for BPC standard. Still, that is signed data only.
Okay.
BPC standard. You see, here always we use key fields. Yeah.
So whenever we deal with BPC cubes and all, that will be again same signed data.
Huh. BPC standard. BPC embedded, again, it's 0 amount. So here I am going to create one aggregation level. Right click, new. Okay, this is enough. Let's create new aggregation. So aggregation level name U01 underscore CH MD, characteristic relationships master data. U01 characteristic relationship based on master data. So what is the info provider it is asking? Info provider is U01 underscore CR. Browse. Yeah, this is the one. Finish. Yeah. So aggregation levels, we need to identify. Simple. We have product line, add amount, add it, currency key, add it. Currency unit, not group, not group. I think these are enough. Now check, activated. Right. Now, I will create a query on top of this aggregation. Yeah. So, simple query, let's create. It takes few minutes, few seconds. I'm filling all these things. So, here, right click on this new query. U01 underscore CHMD characteristic master data underscore Q001. U01 characteristic relationship master data query. Finish. Right. What I'm going to do, sheet definition. It's simple. I will add product and product line in the rows. Yeah. When we go to product, if you go extend, I am just taking master data. Right. First, we will take master data. I will tell you what happened. Then I will go for characteristic relationship. Product line. It's also master data. Now, I will go for amount. Amount is planning enabled. Input. Yeah. Now, save this query. Let's test this query. U01 CHMD Q001. Q01. Okay. One more thing we have to select. Start in change mode. General. Planning. Start query in change mode. Right. Save. And also one more thing we have to do. We have to make as input ready. This one. Right click. Open that ADSO. We have to make it from load mode to change mode. Correct? Load mode to plan mode, not change mode. Loading mode to planning mode. So, here U01 CHMD underscore Q001. Execute. Now, how these values are generated? When I click on change, query is not done. Let's see why. All are used, right, in this? Where is my query? This is the query. Yeah. Product line. Currency key is not used. Sheet definition. Filter. Currency key. Right click. Restrict. USD. File. Save. That's why it's not coming input ready. Everything should be used. Yeah, now it's ready. Now you see here, I have product line. Okay. Better, we will take product line straight product right side, then it will be easy to understand. So I just take product line up here, file. Yes. Now let's see what happens.
Kiran, the product 1, 2, 3 is only for product line 1, and then product 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is for product line 2. So, but it is the same for both the products. So, is it fine? I mean,
Correct.
just
That's an issue. That is the issue. That is the issue we need to resolve. That's what my point is that only when I come back, if you see product line PL underscore 1 and system is showing all the products P01 to P07 including hash. You see the relationship, it is displaying like this. Without characteristic relationship, it will display all product line 1 and it will display all the products. It will display product line 2, it will display all the product lines. If you see here, whatever red color I identified, when my product line is PL underscore 1, system should show only P01, P02, P03 because P01, 2, 3 belongs to PL1. Correct. And when it is PL2, system should show P04 to P07. These only. But if you see this query, it is showing all this thing. If this is the case, the user can plan. He can select PL underscore 1 product line. He can plan for P08 as 50, which is wrong. Which is wrong. It will accept also. If I say value, it will accept. So basically, it's generated a wrong combination. 67, if you go here, list queue, list queue, U01 underscore PH. Let's see the info provider name. CR. Fields for selection output, select all. 367, it's over. Fields for selection output, select all. Now, for P06, PL1, actually these two are not relevant, but still system generated one wrong entry because the user planned wrongly. How can I restrict this? System did not show, this is the behavior of the planning query. When you select the master data, whatever master data values are there in the system will show those master data. It will not think about the relationship between those master data values. What you have to do in order to restrict this one? Go to RS plan. You can enable characteristic relationships based on master data. How to enable characteristic relationship based on master data? Go to a transaction code called RS plan. This is the RS plan transaction code. Here, give the info provider U01 underscore CR. Here, remember, here I am giving ADS1 name. Now click on edit. Right? Now here you can see info provider characteristics, characteristic relationships, one button, one menu. Go to characteristic relationship, click on create. You are creating one characteristic relationship. I'm going to enable the characteristic relationship based on master data. So here, select with derivation, select characteristic relationship based on attribute. Now, what is the master data? Build base. I'm taking product. Based on the product, system should derive the product line. Source is product, target is product line. Based on product, system will derive the product line. Now, click on save. What I will do, once my characteristic relationship is enabled, I will come here, go to the query. Yeah. Here, product line, you select product line, go to extended. Instead of master data, you select characteristic relationship. It's already enabled now. It works only for the real-time info here. So characteristic relationships.
So Kiran, why we have taken in the first go as master data instead of characteristic relationships? See, now we are changing it to characteristic relationships, right? So
Correct.
earlier, why choosing master data? Anyways, we have to have a relationship between the product and product line. So we would have checked it at the first go itself. So is
If
that
if yeah, if that is cost center and cost element, for example, right?
okay, okay.
If rows you have cost center and cost element, then you go for master data only.
Got it, got it.
Correct.
Yeah,
So characteristic relationship, that is based on that is another thing. Let's say you have cost center and company core, right? My point here to tell you that if you define this characteristic relationship here, right? How it works? What is the use of this characteristic relationship? So in order to give this example, I am giving the wrong thing happens when you select the master data, right? So we have seen the data, how it is generating based on the master data. Now we will see based on the characteristic relationship, how it is going to generate. When I'm working, I will select characteristic relationship only. I will go real-time info here and I will define the characteristic relationships and I will create the query based on the characteristic relationship only. Master data I will not create. That's what I'm explaining. Yeah. Now go
yeah.
to file. Yeah. Save it.
There is something else. Apart from this, so
Mm.
typically a customer uses data in a certain way. So to have that restrictions or whatever the combination it is, can we use this characteristic relationships based on his things? So, or is that the the calculation or whatever will be taken care with a different query?
So you are talking about master data relationship or transaction data relationship.
Transaction data relationship.
So there is a way for transaction data relationship. That way, after this master data relationship, I will explain the transaction data. I understood your question. If if the system, the user want to see only the cost elements relevant for cost centers based on the posted values,
Correct. Correct.
right? Then how to do that? That I will tell you. Now, file, I already saved it. Now, let's execute this query. Let's see how it displays the result. Even in BPC standard, this is not. This is if you see product line, it will show like earlier on based on master data only. See, this is not valid. P0667 is not valid. That's why it's grayed out. Now PL1, P01, P02, P03. Only those three are it is. Only through those three it is displaying. PL2, it is displaying P04, 5, 6, 7. If you want to plan at group level, product level, then you can plan it faster. So that is the use of characteristic relationship. Now you might have a question in your mind that, okay, now when the user, the system is giving an option when they plan P01, they can plan only on the correct combination. They cannot plan on the wrong combination. Correct. Perfect. You might have a question. If I plan on the P01, I'm planning against a product, right? P01, P02, P03, P06. So I don't want product line. When I plan against P01, system should automatically derive this PL1. You got my point? So in the query, you don't want product line. You will give only product, but when you are posting, system should derive the product line. Same, for example, you are planning against a cost center and you are saving the cost center data based on the characteristic relationship. System should derive the profit center. User will not give the profit center. System should derive profit center and it should take. Yeah. So that I will explain tomorrow how to do that. So here we discuss characteristic relationships based on master data attribute. Whatever I did it now is called without derivation. Without derivation. Master data attribute, characteristic relationship without derivation. Without derivation means derivation. Without derivation means both the characteristic will be there in the query, product line and product. Tomorrow, we'll discuss characteristic relationships based on derivation. With derivation. So with derivation is basically one of the object will be there. Product will be there in the query. System will derive product line. Yeah. How to do that? Master data attribute with derivation. Any question? And this is on India 19th USA.
Can you explain one more time without derivation? That was not too clear to me. I understand what with derivation is, but not without. Can you explain it again?
With derivation, without derivation. See, without derivation, let's say you are talking about the relationship between product and product line, right? Product line. When I say without derivation means product and product line. Product. Both should be there in the query. Rows set. Query rows. Correct?
Okay, that's clear to me now. I got it. Yeah, thank you.
Right? So tomorrow, same time. Any other questions from other parties?
Kiran, you said you shared those documents you said for that.
Yeah. I'm prepared. Yeah. I'll send as early as possible.
So, training what they have given, I mean, so can I speak about the training server here?
Yeah. What happened?
Actually, yeah, that person has given BPC 11 servers, whereas I have requested him for 10.1. And so that I can go with first, as you suggested, as 4F80. So while I was going through that document, it is completely a different screen. So I have requested him for S4 HANA and then 10.1 embedded. So he said he will be doing this.
I told him also. I told him first you give 1610, next you give BPC 11. Otherwise, it's waste of money. Yeah. Yeah. If anything he is saying, just tell me. I will talk to him. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you, Kiran.
Yeah.
Corinne,
Amending them.
are you also going to send us the Excel worksheets that gives out the layout?
The, you're talking about this Excel.
Yes, that.
Yeah, I'll send.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And send it for the previous class too, the BBC 10.1.
All are there in the sheet. I did not get the second point.
The previous classes that you delivered,
Yes, sir.
the BBC 10.1 embedded. It's different from this class, BBC 11. It's different, right? You're using
But
different.
functional device both are same. The same.
All the
actually.
same? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm ending the meeting. Tomorrow, same time, same meeting.